Welcome to the video lesson of DE Public School CCL Giridi. I am S. Bandyopadhyay. Today we are discussing a chapter of S.S.T. It is a chapter of civics, chapter 21. The name of the chapter is the community life, the unity in diversity. Man is a social animal, and man lives in the society because his requirements are fulfilled there. Society gives him support, and more requirements what he needs, his society supplies it, and in the society his demands can be fulfilled. So his best place is the society where he can live properly, he can grow. And we have seen that due to the development of science and technology, the requirements became diversified. Science and technology compelled the person, the human being, to live in the community because his activity has been diversified and he required the help of other people. So in the community life, we have seen that at the same time the other elements like family, school and neighborhood, they also play a very important position. Some families consisting, they form the neighborhood. Some neighborhood combining together, they form the village and cities, and some village and cities combining together, they form the nation. And we have seen that in neighborhood, that they mix with other people and they make it such an atmosphere that they can carry on all the requirements of the life in a proper way. And the main thing that people started living in the community because they started depending on one another. Because we have seen that a person cannot fulfill all his necessities, and living in the community, they getting the support of others, and with the mixing with the other people, they do their activities. That is, the interdependence takes place, and interdependence give them the essence of togetherness and belongingness. Now community, in community we have seen that the element is family. Family is the smallest unit in the community, and it is we can say it is the first school for the child. And family develops a child and teach the child how to behave with others and how to develop his personality slowly. And after that we have seen that another element of community is a school. School has a great role in the life of a kid, because it is the first school is the family, and the second, that is the second element, that is school. It gives him the education. Not only education, it makes the child a perfect man and a perfect a good citizen. And after that, we have seen that community has neighborhood. Community is linked with neighborhood, and in neighborhood the people live such a life that slowly he can grow into man. He can do some activities, he can attach with other ties, and after that we have seen that community is also linked with economic developmental activity. Initially, in the first stage of human being, we have seen that man started doing everything alone, but slowly he understood that it is not possible to do everything alone. So he has to depend on others, and so his activity started changing. People started doing other occupations. Division of labors also came, and slowly we have seen that he involved in other trading business, and slowly the towns and cities developed, and they became a part of these economic activities. And the most other thing is that economic development, the economic development got its final stage when the economic got its final stage when the exchange of money has come. Exchange of money has given the final phase of the economic development, and we have seen that community has another aspect like cultural development. We have seen that people, for entertainment, they used to sing a song, they used to draw pictures. We have seen Ajanta Ellora caves, how many good pictures are there. They used to involve in hunting and fishing. All these activities slowly, and they started singing. All these activities, and slowly they started giving the shape of words and letters. So all these things developed into a culture, took the shape of culture, and slowly the cultural development started developing. And in India, we have seen that the traditional Indian culture was mixed with the other cultures also who came from outside, and Indian culture became a composite culture.